Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So before we get started, I do have on one coat of UNT Pillable base coat for easy removal of my mani on top of my nails. I have trimmed my nails down. I still have builder gel on that hand, but since then I have removed builder gel from both my nails. I'm planning on putting it back at some point. And so I have two colors here from Savvyland. It's a yellow and a white from a dip powder kit that I featured on my channel quite some time ago. And so I will be using Color My World odorless dip liquids. I do have Savvyland's dip liquids. However, I did not feel like putting on a respirator to use those liquids. I just didn't feel like doing it. Probably should have. I try to keep use the same company's products, but I just love odorless dip liquids. So I'm going in and applying a thin layer, as thin as possible, to my nails, and then I'm going to lay my finger flat in the dip powder. And so just hang out with me while I do that application. I end up doing 3 coats of dip powder on each nail. So I use the yellow, I think, on 2 or 3 nails, and the white on the other nails. And so what I did notice after my filing and buffing, this color was a little splotchy. I probably should have stirred it up to evenly distribute the color. And so in between that, I will be using my cleanup tool, precision tool, to clean up any excess dip powder from the side walls and the cuticle area of my nail. So I probably should have did the white first, but I didn't. And so here are the 3 nails with the yellow. I'm just going in and applying activator on the nails just to harden that dip powder. You can wait until you do all nails to activate, or you can do whatever works best for you. And so I'm not used to doing my nails this short, but I like it. I do want to grow them out at some point, but I just don't know when. Lately I've been kind of in a funk since my grandmother passed away in May. And so I'm just kind of like, I really don't want to do anything, but I'm trying my best to get back to my place of, I guess, peace, so to speak. And so I'm going in with the white dip powder, applying 3 coats of that. I only film 2 coats on camera, and you want to make sure that in between each dip powder coat, when you apply your dip base, make sure you wipe your brush off on a lint-free paper towel or some type of wipe, because you don't want that any leftover dip powder that may be on the nail to get inside of your dip base, because it will then become unusable because it has since become contaminated. So I'm then brushing off excess and activating the white nails. Now these, the cuticle area didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to, but it's okay because after I do my filing and buffing off camera, so I give that activator time to work, about maybe 5 minutes, and then I do my filing and buffing off camera. And here are the nails, and so we're going to apply some nail stamping. And so I have a plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. I think this one is called Smiles. Or Smile, CJS plate 325. I do have a discount code. It will be in the description box below. And so I also have some nail stamping colors as well. And so here lately with Clear Jelly Stamper, they have a clear spec sheet and then instructions on the steps on how to stamp, or the order you should stamp those layering images. And if you don't know, Clear Jelly Stamper is a layering stamping plate company. And so I'm going in with the yellow. I can't remember. I don't think I used the brown. I think I did. I can't remember if I used the brown versus the black. And so with nail stamping, you want to have some things readily available. You need a stamper, a clear one. You need some stamping polish of some type, and you need something to remove excess stamping polish with, not only from the stamper head, but from any image that you want to clean up before you stamp the image on your nail. And so you can see I'm just rolling that stamper on the sticky pad just to clean off any excess stamping polish left over, so that I can then reuse the stamper. And so I'm cleaning my plate off in between each image with acetone. And so I'm going in, I stamp the smiley faces first, and then I'm going in with the outline and stamping that over the nail. Now, initially, I thought I had lined that up pretty good. I thought I did until I further inspection of the nail. I did not line that up as best as possible, but I thought it turned out well. Anyway, I thought it turned out well. And so one thing I need to start back using is also the the skin barrier. The skin barrier that you put on your nail when you're doing stamping, because with that black polish, when I went to clean it up, it got all in the cuticle area. However, the last time I used that, my skin was very dry, and I ended up peeling my skin off, and that thing hurt. And so I was going to use that brown, and I changed my mind to stamp the little smiley face flower. I'm going in with an orange color from Maniology. I have a discount code with Maniology as well. I'll put that in the description box. And then I'm going in with the little flower, stamping that as well, lining it up to the best of my ability. And you can see I'm using the scraper card to remove any excess image, so that I don't get that on my actual nail. And then I'm going to go in with the outline and stamp that as well. After I stamped this outline, I thought it was so cute. I was like, oh, this is so cute. And I forgot when I recorded this. I think it's September. I recorded this at some point in August, and I'm just doing my voiceover on September the 6th, which is sad. Like I said, I haven't really felt like doing much with the nails. I haven't even watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos like I normally do, but I'll get back to normal at some point. And so I'm just using a pointed Q-tip. I do call these cosmetic Q-tips because a lot of times I use these for eyeshadow and stuff like that to clean up if I have any moments from putting on makeup. And so I'm just cleaning that up, and you can see in the cuticle area how that black stamping polish is staining, so I should have used the skin barrier. So here I'm going in with the words. I can't remember what it says, but I'm going and using that off the plate and stamp that on the nail as well, using the black and orange. Now with the yourself, I think it says believe yourself. When I went to stamp it, I think the F didn't stamp well. One of the letters came off, and then I placed it back down and it transferred to the nail. But then when I went to apply my gel polish to seal it in, like the top coat, it came off, and you can see that the F, it lifted up, and I'm just like, ooh, you're gonna get on this nail, so I'm just pressing it down. And then I'm gonna go in with the black and stamp believe. I thought that was really cute too. I end up stamping an image on each nail. On the pinky, I initially stamped in a brighter yellow, but I did not like the way that looked on the nail. So I'm just going in with some acetone and removing that. That's the good thing with dip powder and your stamping. You can just use acetone and wipe that off. It's not going to affect the dip powder. And so now I'm going in with that orange that I have from Maniology, and applying that image, or reapplying that image on the nail. And then I'm going to stamp the eyes and the smiley face. And you see me kind of zhuzhing that on the nail, because when I was looking at a Clear Jelly Stamper video, that's what they do, and it works, and it doesn't distort the image, because I didn't use any sticky base coat. Now you could use sticky base coat and the image will surely transfer, but I didn't feel like doing all that. And so yeah, I'm just pressing and kind of giving it a good little shake to get on the nail. And so now I'm going in with do what makes you happy. And so I stamped that in the orange, and I believe the black as well, and then I go in with the little stars and stamp that on the nail as well, just to kind of fill that nail in, because they're short. So these are the nails with all of the images stamped. I thought they were absolutely cute. And I'm going in with Kanai or Canny. This is a humor-free base coat and top coat. They are gel polishes, so they do require curing in a LED lamp, and I got those off of Amazon. So I went in and applied base coat and top coat, and here are the nails, and I also applied cuticle oil. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. Look at the nubbies. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.